Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, as we have said in the weekly research, probably some upward bounce could happen here because that was really the first reversal swing to the downside after the solid move to the upside, and in these circumstances markets very often, and could even say that as a rule, shows deep retracements, and our target for this potential move up, we also have discussed this in the weekly research, stands around this resistance cluster. So market gradually is approaching to it. So you can see that this is the major 50% resistance, 137.20 area. From the whole move to the downside is 50% level. Also take a look, that will be a weekly pivot resistance one and monthly pivot point. Also, I suspect that market probably will turn to some flirting with the MACD predictor, and if we will get the bearish stab grabber pattern, that will be all the better, because our attention to this area mostly stands due possibility to enter short, because we suspect that market could show some sort of the A, B, C top, D action. Something of that sort could happen here. Well, and that's why this area is very interesting for us from the perspective of the taking the short position. But market still hasn't quite reached this area yet, so we see that price stands above the weekly pivot point and shows some consolidation. But I suspect, and we should be watching for this action during today's trading session, that market probably could continue to move high. So if you take a look at the hourly time frame chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, well, I do not see here many interesting moments. As we said, we probably could treat it as the double bottom. Here market is approaching to the MACD as well, so if market will form some sort of the bullish stab grabber, that will just give us more confidence with the expectation with the possible upward continuation. Major picture stands on the hourly time frame chart for the today trading session. So here you could see, by the way, the double bottom that we have discussed in our weekly analysis, and we said that as market has hit some target and resistance, that by the way was the nearest 3-8 resistance on the daily time frame chart. I don't have it on the daily time frame chart, but here stands also the 3-8 resistance, 3-8-2 resistance. Well, and as market has completed this A, B, C bottom, 1618 extension target, that was also here. We said that's probably market should turn to some bounce to the downside. That's really has happened yesterday, so that has happened. Also, we said that we prefer to see that market would stop somewhere around weekly pivot point, but doesn't move below it, because when the market is forming some upward action and has the bullish intention, bullish sentiment, it should not erase the pattern, since we have some sort of the double bottom prior it has reached the target of this pattern. And if market, for instance, move here below the weekly pivot point, it will simultaneously move below the neckline of this pattern. That's why we have objected against it from the bullish perspective and said that will be the crucial moment, and if market will really do this and move below this area, that will put under question the further possible development to the upside. But as you can see, market has tested this area and bounced to the upside. What we could get here? Well, currently, guys, I do not see much. In fact, maybe this will be some sort of the butterfly. At least currently, these swings are suitable for possible appearing of the butterfly sell. If this will happen, you can see the target of the butterfly stands in agreement with the target of this double bottom pattern, this double extension of the bottoms. This distance counted from the neckline to the upside will give us this target. It's 200% extension. Just shows the doubles, the height of the double bottom pattern counted in the direction of the breakout. That's 1618 of this butterfly, and take a look. That's also the weekly pivot resistance one. Well, almost everything stands the same as we have discussed in our weekly research. Now we just need to watch what will really happen. Maybe as the reversal pattern market will form here some kind of the head and shoulders, if it really will reach this area, of course. But currently we should watching for this scenario, and because this area is really interesting for a possible entering on the short side of the market. The context for the possible short entry we have discussed in weekly research, but on the high time frame, on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame chart. And now, well, guys, here I personally do not want to take the long position, but it's also a bit early to take the short position on the euro currency. So I need to reach some significant area, and I suspect that this area will be suitable for the possible reversal. That's in fact all that I would like to say on the euro currency. Unfortunately, we do not have just fast patterns to trade, so we can't. I did not see something to trade immediately on the euro currency, but potentially this area is very promising for trading in the short-term period on the daily time frame chart, because the target of this possible reversal to the downside could become the yearly pivot point that stands around 134.75, somewhere in this area. So that will be a promising action if it will really happen. Now we just need to watch for behavior around the MACD predictor. So if market will form some sort of bullish grabber, that will add more confidence for the possible upward continuation. And finally, if this will really will happen, keep an eye on this 137.20 area, because this will be our major area to watch for potential short entry.